Welcome to this video series in which I'm going to be talking about online surveys and how to make money from online survey sites. So in the following videos, I'm going to tell you why should you do online surveys. I'm going to talk about the popular online survey sites and the high paying survey sites, and also how to watch out for scams and how to make money from online survey sites without having to do surveys. But regardless, online surveys are one of the easiest ways to make money online, and almost anybody can do it. And with the right guidance, you can be pretty successful with this. So follow along and I'll see you in the next video. Why should you do online surveys? Now here's some harsh, cold truth for you. You're not going to get rich doing online surveys. You just don't make enough money with online surveys. Surveys pay you anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars depending on the length of the survey, the type of survey, and what it's about. However, this is money that you can make from home while in pajamas, so why not, right? You can also use online surveys to raise capital for things such as your other businesses or any other projects that you're working on. I heard of a mother who was able to make money with online surveys while sitting down and breastfeeding. So online surveys can be great for people depending on their situation. Now here are some other benefits of surveys. You get to see new products before they come out. You get to watch movie trailers that haven't been released yet. And you can do them on your mobile devices, so you can make money while you're waiting for an appointment or while you're at the park. We're here on the Swagbucks website, and this is probably the most popular online survey website, and in my opinion it's also the easiest to navigate. And the way this site works is that you earn points for doing various things. It's not just online surveys. So you earn points, and when you earn these points, you can redeem them for cash in your PayPal account or into gift cards. I believe 100 points is equal to about $1. So aside from just doing surveys, you could also play video games, you could watch videos. Actually, one trick that people do is that they'll open multiple tabs so that they could watch multiple videos at the same time. You can also earn points by online shopping. You just click on websites that they promote, and basically they're going to be earning affiliate income with your shopping, but at the same time you'll be getting cash back or points from Swagbucks for doing that. You can also use Swagbucks as your default search engine, and you'll earn points whenever you do searches. And what I think is the most lucrative way to make money with Swagbucks is through referrals. You refer people to Swagbucks and you earn 10% of the referrals earnings for a lifetime. So earning points on this site is very easy to do. In fact, you could also earn points just for filling out a profile. So I really do think this is one of the best online survey websites out there. I highly recommend you try it out. I know of people who are having success with it, people who are able to buy gifts and do all their Christmas shopping because of the gift cards they get from here. Now here's another popular online survey site. I know of someone that used to make $35 to $40 per week on this site. Now there are a few ways to make money on the site, but the primary way is through online surveys. Now it's important to note that not everybody will get paid the same amount for the same surveys, nor will you also get offered the same surveys. And so basically someone who gets paid $1.50 for one survey, another person may get paid 50 cents for that same survey. So it all depends on your profile and your qualifications. Let's just take a quick look at the site. As you can see here, nearly $7 million has already been paid to members. And the surveys can be related to politics, cars, home improvement, restaurants, technology, shopping, health, travel, sports, etc. And what I like about Vindale research is that you get paid cash. There are no points. And down here are the different ways that you can earn money through Vindale research. Now, if you do the reward mail, I highly recommend that you open up a new email account because you will get bombarded with offers. And when you open these emails, I believe you're only getting paid 5 to 10 cents per email. And for watching these videos, I believe it's around 10 cents per video, and they're about 30 seconds long. And like I said in the previous video, you could probably just try to open up multiple tabs so you could watch multiple videos simultaneously. And if you sell Vindale a photo of yourself with holding a check from Vindale, or even a video of you receiving a payment from them, you will get $5 for that. The survey sites that pay the most are the ones that I don't really like to call survey sites. I like to call them market research sites and focus group sites. For example, this website I'm looking at right now is focusgroup.com. As it says here, you participate in a paid focus group, test new products, taste new snacks and beverages, watch new TV shows, take online surveys, and more. So instead of just taking a survey, for example, you could do an interview over the phone where you would answer questions over the phone, and you could get paid something like $35 just for that. Now, here's another market research site, surveysquad.com. It says here, every day Survey Squad pays people just like you to participate in online and mobile surveys, phone interviews, and in-person focus group. And you could actually scroll down here and see what their latest tweets are. They tweet their latest studies and focus groups that they're looking for people to join. So for example, this one here, they have interviews or focus groups that pay up to $150 of your time. Another one, if you love to cook and you're Atlanta, you could join this one. It's $100. And they're offering that in several different places. Here's another tweet where you could earn a $50 Amazon gift card for 30 minutes of your time. And for this one, you would do a virtual in-store shop along. And these are actually quite fun. Okay, let's just keep going down below. And here it's offering $325 if you are a female and you'd like to talk about health and wellness and you're willing to answer some questions about those topics. To find more of these market research type websites, you could also go to Craigslist and just do a search for these keywords, market research or surveys, and you may be able to find legitimate companies who are willing to pay a lot of money for your time. So if this is something that interests you, go ahead and take a look into it. Look into these market research type websites and also do some searching on Google or Craigslist. I do know of people who are making a part-time income with these types of surveys and market research websites. In another video, I mentioned that you can't get rich from doing online surveys. However, I have seen people earn a part-time income from doing online surveys. So if your goal is to earn a part-time income from online surveys, I highly recommend that you use multiple online survey sites so that you can multiply your income. For example, with Swagbucks and My Points, you could probably make around $90 per month. And with another online survey site called Branded, you could probably make around $40 per month. With Pinecone Research, $90 per month. And if you look on Craigslist, also use those high-paying survey sites such as Focus Group and Survey Squad, which I don't really like to call survey sites, or more of market research sites. If you use those, you could probably make a few hundred to over 1,000 per month just from those. So the key here is to use multiple online survey sites and market research sites if you want to earn a part-time income from online surveys. By now you know that online surveys are probably one of the easiest ways to make money online. However, there are a lot of scams out there, so I want you to be careful, do your due diligence. Here's just a few common sense things for knowing whether a survey is a scam. For example, a survey that asks for your social security number, a survey that asks you to pay for something such as shipping. So you should never pay for anything when it comes to online surveys, and you should never disclose any private or confidential information, such as your social security number or your credit card number or any other account information that you have. And if a survey is asking questions that are irrelevant to the topic, it's probably a fake survey. Now, there is a way to make money from online surveys without actually doing any of the surveys, watching the videos on those sites, or doing anything else on those sites. And what I'm talking about here is signing up for affiliate programs for these online survey sites. So then when you refer people to these online survey sites, you will get paid commissions. The payout may be different for different online survey sites. I know of one survey site that will pay you a percentage of the referral's earnings during their lifetime as a member of that site. And I actually know of somebody who's making a few $100s per month from affiliate marketing using online survey sites. There's actually somebody that made a video recommending various online survey sites, and he put his affiliate links in the description field. And I heard he's making more money from these affiliate links than he's actually making from doing the surveys himself. To sign up for their affiliate programs, usually you can find links to their affiliate sign-up pages on the bottom of the website. So for example, for this online survey site, mypoints.com, you can go to partnerships and just click on affiliates.